When we are opening files in Python, in order to manipulate them with writing to them or reading from them, we have several modes that we can use. And these go in line with this open function built into Python. So we have an R that stands for read mode, which is the default. We have a W for write mode, which will overwrite the contents of a file. So if there's a file with text in it, and we use the W mode in our open method, such as this example here where my mouse is, whatever we write to the file will overwrite the contents. So that's important to know. To work around that, we could add to a file, which will get to the end of a file and add from there. So that's with this A mode, append mode. You could think of logging, for example. There are other mechanisms that are preferred to use for logging if we're logging to files in Python. But you can think when you're logging messages from a system, you would want those appended to the file. You'd want those to continue to be added. Each entry, each timestamp with data added to the end of a file. You wouldn't want to necessarily overwrite the contents. So that's what that append mode does. And those are the three main modes we'll be talking about: reading, writing, and appending. We can accomplish most of what we're interested in this course with those modes. However, for awareness, there is another B for binary mode, which is for modifying things like non-text files, images, audio, video, binary. So we're not going to talk about that mode, but I just wanted to make sure you were aware of that mode. So that's an overview of the file modes, and we'll continue on and use some of those examples in the next video.